vertical garden. You can see the down. It's like rings. I will show you. Come here. I'll show you. Or you can see this. You can see those gates. You can see all those rings, right? That's it. Look what you see. Next, Willis. You can see some holes. We hang it, it'll hang. That's why it's hanging. And how we made a show more, you just take it. So there's why this hole. Because when we put water, it'll come like a rain. Like this. There's a hole, come, right? And it'll give the plant water like that. Now we need to find plant. Before we find plant, look at the top, it's beautiful, right? Red shine is there. That is like seeds, right? It is just like seeds. And then this is the red one. This is a beautiful plant. They're like different colors, like a rainbow. Look, green, and like whitish green,
Pink.
white and green, and like some. Look, it's like. Look at those plants. They have green and when you do that upside down, it's red. It is a cool red, but like a rainbow. But we have purple. Where's purple? The next one you have purple. Look, purple. Those very purple. Look, it's a magic plant. Come closer. Come closer. You tap it. Oh! You just tap more, tap more. Tap more, tap more. It'll close. And look. We cut all this grass, right? But this some grass and we put it. Look at all our videos. And look the videos and come back here. That one video will come right now. Today. You ready to that tub? Come on, bye. We bring that eyes. Bye, thanks for watching. Bye. Watch our videos.